guys, so welcome to Technical PR YouTube channel, and today I am going to give the unboxing review of T500 Plus smartwatch. So here's the T500 Plus smartwatch, and this is the best clone of Series 6 smartwatch ever. So what's new in it? So let's check, and first of all have a look at its premium box. So you can find very superior box of this smartwatch in this price range. So the price range for this superior smartwatch is just 1500 rupees. So you can have a look at this, and here comes the branding of iWatch, and this comes in the Series 6 clones, and it is the updated version of T500 smartwatch. So here's the branding of iWatch, and here's also iWatch, and you can see T500 Plus written in gold. So you can find here the 44 and it comes in Series 6. So let's open this box and look at its contents. So let's open its box and have a look at the contents. So I am going to open it, and here's a very premium packing. And before looking at its content, I want to tell you that if you like this watch and if you want to order this watch, you can order it with the given link in the description. Check the description of my video. There I have given the buying link, and I have also mentioned a Instagram page named Urban Store, so you can buy quality products from that page. And please note that the delivery of these product is available in India only. So this Urban Store does not deliver out of India. So if you are in India, so most welcome, and the delivery will be done to your doorstep. So let's look at this watch. So here's the user manual, and it is written in English and Chinese, so you can have a look at it. So let's put it apart and see other contents. So here's the sticker. First of all, I remove the sticker, and here's the T500 Plus smartwatch, and here you can find straps. So these are the superior quality silicone straps and very premium quality, and I like these straps very much. So let's have a look at its charger. So it's a magnetic wireless charger. So let's have a look. So you can simply place the T500 Plus smartwatch on this charger, and it starts charging automatically. So here's the very good idea of the charger, and let's put all these apart and attach a strap with T500 Plus smartwatch and have a first look. So I have attached the straps, and you can check its first look. It looks very premium on the hand, and you can check. So here's the sensors, and it's a very unique sensor, I must say. And you can find Series 6 branding on behind of this watch. Here you can find the button, and this is the dummy button, and here you can find the microphone. Because it's a calling watch, so it have both microphone and the speakers. On this side you can find speakers. So very premium quality product, and it looks very luxury on your hand. So let's turn it on and have a look at its feature. So it's turning on. So in this watch you have 8 watch faces, and there's a feature to add custom watch face. So have a look at watch faces. So you can have animated watch faces also. And if you swipe down, then you can find options such as find the phone, then torch, then Bluetooth to connect it with your phone. It supports both iOS and Android. And here's the option of always on feature, and here's the option of calculator. And you have 4 styles in this smartwatch. So we can have a look at it one by one. So let's check style 1. So it's a honeycomb mode, which is very much similar to Series 6, and it's a very smooth mode, and it doesn't lag. So let's check the second style. So second style is like this, 4 apps. Let's have a look at third. So third style is like this, and let's have a look at fourth style, which is 9 apps. So here's a 9 apps. So in this watch of just 1500 rupees, you can have many features and 4 styles and custom watch face option. And I think it's a best option to buy this smartwatch for you and for your family to gift anyone. So let's have a look at its features. So you can have many features because it's a calling watch. You can have call logs, you can play music, you can have the pedometer. In this pedometer you can find various options such as running, biking, hiking, and it calculates calories for you, how much calories you have burned. So for fitness freak persons it's a very unique feature. And here's the sleep monitoring and the heart rate. It also measures the heart rate and the sensors start working. And it also records our sound, and it has also the feature of alarms, then calculator, then the calendar, WhatsApp, Facebook. It has remote capture and many other features. So I think it's a best budget smartwatch and totally value for money in just 1500 rupees. So if you are planning to buy this watch, so you can check the description for more details and to buy this watch. And please note that the delivery is available in India only. So if you like my video and if you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you are liking my work. So I end the video here and thanks for watching.